it's Nicole. If you're old, welcome back, and thank you, Jessica, for the intro. Thank you, Rosalita, for the bands and the necklace. I'm wearing it, but you're not fixing to see it. In a second, I'm fixing to zoom you in a little closer because I have not had a chance to even play with this palette yet. This is the Face Candy Atlantis palette, which is free of Carmine. I swatched it in my haul, and that's about it. So I'll try to link the haul sometime. You want to go watch that, but yeah, I need to play with this. So I'm going to remove the makeup. I am wearing, no, I don't tend to do underline too much. I am wearing, this is for my day makeup, the Fantasia palette on my eye right now. So we're fixing to take that off, probably the lip too, but I'm going to take it off. Primer. I am going to do my best to stain frame. Okay. E35. And luckily they have a matte white and white cap, so I want to say this kind of shifted blue on my arm. I'm not sure. But we're just going to set everything with it. I'm going to take Abyss and just really blow out the crease. That is a matte, periwinkle kind of color. Just lightly tapped it, so we're going to see what that does. One day I'm going to try Sarah's technique, the whole packing it, and don't blend it, just pack it on and then blend it with a color. Try it one day. I'm going to use this one that I did the cut crease with. Very paintbrush-like. And I'm going to go into just under the crease. Colored. I'm backing up because I was too close to really blend out. I mean, that gives you a defined crease. I was able to blow it out before, but yeah, this is the brush you want. Oh, that's pretty. I like what that did. It did it kind of on its own, but I like it. It really puts the color there, and it blends it out, but you gotta work to blend it out. Not really work, but yeah, just a little. Hi, boo. Get off the stuff, boo, before you knock it down, boo. Yeah, I didn't grab it, so I didn't tap it off, so that's how I think the color's at that corner. That'll blow it out later. Like you just want the colors. Look, I'm still blending. I'm still working on that same color. It's still blending. Which is awesome. This would be awesome for a halo eye. Do you want to do a halo eye? Alright, Sigma, I believe in you now. Kind of feeling a halo eye. I'm going to go into Poseidon, and I know it's a shimmer. It's that green shimmer. I'm going to see because it's so pointed. This thing is so pointed. This is the E48. Let's see what it does. Oh yeah, this brush, but I have another one that's even smaller, either this one or that one that I recently got. This is the E47. Would all those crazy things people do, just a little thing on either side, and just keep doing that until it meets the middle. Those would be the perfect brushes, especially when you have small eyes like me. This one's doing really good. Awesome, okay. And I know I didn't cut the crease or nothing. The crease is not my forte. Okay. I do want to try doing that with this brush though. This little one. I'm going to go into, I'm going to take Swell. I want to see how well it does with this shimmer. I mean, it's there, it's not oomph there. Yeah, there we go. Give it a punch, you need to wet it. You know, apply fine if I have. Oh, actually, so doing that. Like I said, I put like that many shades on the eyeball, except for you know, maybe during the every shade in a palette challenge. But like with that precision, yeah, that's probably a little bit different. Okay, and I am going into title. Go ahead and take this brush, which is not Sigma, it's Essence, and just like highlight Bravo. And of course, I have a lot of fallout. This is why, like, this palette, any blues do that though. Like I noticed, like, if you, I don't tend to tap them off because if you do tap them off, it's like forever to build up the pigment, and like sometimes it just doesn't. So it's kind of better just to go in with like a closed brush. Okay, I'm going to take Stormy Waters just because I haven't used it. This is pretty much use every color. And I'm going to go to Empire, and I'm actually going to dip a tad bit into Tsunami. I'm just going to try to do the outer V. I'm going to take Vanished, which is that shimmer. Give the little Travel EO5 Sigma a try again. Pretty vulgar liner. To be too murky. this brush to get on. Everything's so much more complicated than it needs to be. Like harder to do in writing of acrylic. No, I destroyed that, I think. Stay high. Still there, see? Reinforce it. I don't like this as a liner. I don't know. Because the brush is still cute ones. Get a cheapo aesthetic brush is better. Should I say exorbitantly priced aesthetic brushes? $312 from L'Oreal Infallible.